Hi guys, welcome back to the Lamely Garden. I am Gleesy, and today, y'all see that? That's what we are going to harvest. We are going to harvest some of my broccolini. It started to kind of separate and kind of go to seed, but I don't care. I'm still going to cook it up. Sometimes it just can be a little bit more tough when it starts to separate, but I'll just let it saute a little bit longer in my garlic butter sauce. Like, who cares? Anyway, broccolini along with like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbages, a lot of those things are cooler weather crops. So like we've had some crazy days. So it'll be like 60 today, 90 tomorrow, 70 the next day, 85 the next day. So like the fluctuations in the temperature has definitely confused the crops. So we just gonna roll with it. All right, so I'm so glad I'm so glad that I got out here today and I'm able to harvest this before it completely went to seed and I completely lose my whole entire crop. I got this little bin today from the farmer's market, so I'm just gonna use this to harvest my broccoli. So come on and harvest with me. All right guys, not bad for a little harvest, right? This would be enough for us to have a meal for dinner. So I'm excited. I left a lot of the shoots on there that were kind of small, that way they can continue to grow. And what you don't know, like if you harvest, even like if you have broccoli, if you harvest your main head of broccoli, your broccoli will put out little side shoots, which is usually like the size of what the broccolini is. So I'm very excited, y'all. Maybe I'll do like a cook along with me when I cook this up. That would be kind of cool. If that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments. All right. Thank you guys for joining me for this quick video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, follow along, y'all. Join the Lamely so that we can grow our food together. Remember, all you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye.